storyologist Paige Turner with a really fun kindness craft. This is it. We are going to be making kindness catchers. Now, some people call these things fortune tellers or cootie catchers, but I don't know about you, I'd much rather catch kindness than cooties. So I'm going to show you how to play this first because it's a game and a craft. So let's play the game and then we'll make the craft. So here's what you do. So if you can see on here, I wrote some kindness words. I wrote caring, thoughtful, understanding, and kindness. So you're going to play this with a friend or a few friends, and you'll ask your friend to pick one of these words. So let's say they pick caring. You're going to spell it out, C-A-R-I-N-G. And as you spell it, you're going to move the kindness catcher. Now, inside there are numbers. Now you're going to ask your friend to pick a number. So let's say they pick the number 4. Then we're going to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're back on the same one. So now you have them pick another number, and let's say they pick the number 8. We're going to unfold it. And where the number 8 is, I'm going to fold up that flap. And it has different ideas and things that you can do or that your friend can do that promote kindness. So this one says, make someone laugh, tell a joke. And then just, as a suggestion, I wrote down a little joke here. What kind of cats like to, what kind of cats like to bowl? That was my joke. Alley cats! You can make up your own joke. You don't have to use my corny jokes. I like jokes about cats. But let's say they picked the number 5 or 6. Let's see what that one says. That one says, encourage someone with kind words. And then it has some ideas. You can do it. I believe in you. You have great ideas. So you can write down different kind suggestions. You can even use one of our other crafts, and one of them can say, give somebody a kindness card. That's one of our other crafts. Let's see, some of the other ones that I have are, tell someone a reason they are special. And again, some ideas. You make me laugh. You are a good listener. You are a good friend. And what's the last one right here? Oh, name 3 kind things you can do for a family member. And again, I have some ideas. Helps at the table. Give a hug, walk the dog, if you have a dog. If you don't have a dog, then don't walk the dog. But, you can write whatever ideas you can think of. Things that are kind, things that, are gonna make somebody's day and make them feel special or feel great, because that is a kind thing to do. So now, my kind thing to do is to teach you how to make a kindness catcher. All right, so all you need is a piece of paper and some things to decorate it with. I have markers and pens. You can use colored pencils. I'm gonna use stickers. I didn't use stickers in the last one, but stickers are fun to use on this. You can use a pair of scissors. You're going to need a pair of scissors. And that is pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is make this rectangle square. We need a square piece of paper. So to make a square piece of paper, you just take one corner, bring it down all the way to the other side, and fold that in. Fold that right there, press it down, and then we're gonna cut off this bottom piece. And we're gonna get rid of that. You can hang on to that and make a bookmark and give it to a friend, because that would be kind. And that's all we need the scissors for. Now, we're going to take our square, and we're going to bring the points in. And actually, I'm gonna do this. So I have a nice line going down the middle here. If I fold it this way, so that I have an X, then I kind of know where my points should go. Because what I'm going to do is take this point and bring it into the middle, like this. Okay, that is step 1. Now, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we still, I don't know if you can see it, but there's still a little bit of an X there. So we know where to bring our points. So I'm gonna do the same thing, bring this point to the middle. And that's what it should look like. It should have little triangles there, and on this side, it should have little squares. So now we're going to fold this part in half. Fold it down, press it down, and actually we're gonna do it the other way as well. So unfold it and then do it the other way as well. Here we go. Now once you have this, now we can decorate it with all kinds of kind words and messages. So let's see, I'm going to unfold it. And these are the points that are going to be in the center. So I think I'm going to write some kind words with my markers. For this one, I think I'm going to use some stickers. So I got these cool stickers at the dollar store. So let's see, I think I'm going to put a little daisy over here, and maybe a little dragonfly over here. And what else? Look at that, that looks great. Now on the inside, you're gonna flip it over, and where these little triangles are, you're going to write numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna use my purple marker. I'm just gonna write numbers on each one of these little flaps. And you can write anything you want to write, any kind of kindness message or something that you want your friend to do that would be kind. You can give another message down here, or you can draw a picture. What else would be something really kind to do for somebody that would make them feel great? And then, you can write, I wrote more messages in here, or you can add some more stickers. I'm just gonna add stickers here for each one. I'll give a little sticker. Then we're gonna fold it all back up. Fold the numbers on the inside. Put your fingers, in the little flaps. And there we go. We have our kindness catcher. So go out there, catch some kindness, have fun with your friends, and remember, when you create, every day is an adventure.
Please like and subscribe for more crafts and story adventures.